Alright, so when you are subtracting linear expressions, you do the same thing as if you were adding them. You go through and see if there's anything that you need to distribute so that you can rewrite it without parentheses. When you rewrite your expressions without parentheses, then you can combine like terms. So, 9x plus 5, there's nothing outside the parentheses, so I'm just going to rewrite 9x plus 5. Here is where subtracting is different from adding. That minus sign in between the two expressions means that you're going to take the opposite of everything inside that second set of parentheses. So the opposite of 4x is negative 4x, so minus 4x. And the opposite of adding 3 is subtracting 3. Now that I've taken the opposite of everything inside the second set of parentheses, I can combine like terms. 9x minus 4x is 5x, and 5 minus 3 is positive 2. So my answer is 5x plus 2. Number 2, there's nothing to distribute in the first set of parentheses, so I just write down negative x plus 3. Because I'm subtracting, I take the opposite of everything in the second set of parentheses. The opposite of x is negative x. The opposite of subtracting 5 or negative 5 is adding 5 or positive 5. Now I combine like terms. Negative x minus x, that's the same thing as saying negative x plus negative x plus negative x. That is negative 2x. And 3 plus 5 is 8. So your answer is negative 2x plus 8. Number 3, there's nothing to distribute in the first set of parentheses, so I rewrite it as 3x plus 4. I'm subtracting, so I take the opposite of everything in the second set of parentheses. The opposite of x is negative x. The opposite of 2 is negative 2. Once I've rewritten my problem without parentheses, I combine like terms. 3x minus x is 2x. 4 minus 2 is 2. My answer is 2x plus 2. I have 7x plus 5. The opposite of 3x is minus 3x. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. 7x minus 3x is 4x. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4x plus 3. On number 5, I have 9x minus 8. The opposite of x is negative x. The opposite of 4 is negative 4. Combine like terms. 9x minus x is 8x. Negative 8 minus 4, which is the same thing as negative 8, plus negative 4 is negative 12, because when you use additive inverse, you get the same sign, so you add and keep your sign. So the answer is 8x minus 12. Number 6, I have 9x minus 12. The opposite of 5x is minus 5x. The opposite of negative 7 is adding 7. 9x minus 5x is 4x. And negative 12 plus 7 is negative 5. 4x minus 5. Number 7. The number of customers in a store on the first day is represented by 6x minus 3. The number of customers on the second day is represented by x minus 1. Write an expression to find how many more customers visited the store on the first day. Then evaluate the expression if x is equal to 50. So I'm subtracting the first day minus the second day. I have 6x minus 3. The opposite of x is negative x. The opposite of negative 1 is positive 1. 6x minus x is 5x. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So the expression is 5x minus 2. If x is equal to 50, 5 times 50 is 250. And 250 minus 2 is 248. They had 248 more customers on the first day than they did the second. The perimeter of the garden shown is 6x plus 2. Find the length of the missing side. So we're missing this top piece right here. That's what we're looking for. I know that to find the perimeter, I have to add up all of the sides of a shape. So if they give me the perimeter, and they give me all but one side, then I can subtract what I'm given by the perimeter to find the missing side length. So I have 6x plus 2. That's my perimeter. And I'm subtracting each of these sides. 3x plus 1 plus x plus x. And this is the side I'm trying to find. So I'm going to combine like terms inside my parentheses before I subtract the linear expressions. I have 6x plus 2 minus 3x plus x is 4x plus x is 5x, and I have a plus 1. Now I have a linear expression that I can simplify. 6x plus 2 minus 5x minus 1. 6x minus 5x is x, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So my missing side is x plus 1. All right, we have the cost of shipping a package shown. How much more does Shipping Central charge than Globe Delivery? So we're going to take 3x plus $3.50. And we're going to subtract 2x plus $2.99. I'm going to rewrite this without parentheses. 3x plus $3.50 minus 2x minus $2.99. 3x minus 2x is x, and $3.50 minus $2.99. I have to borrow. 10 minus 9 is 1. 14 minus 9 is 5. Bring down your decimal. And Shipping Central charges x plus 51 cents more than Globe Delivery.